So you'll want to take the center punch first. The center punch just kind of starts the hole so that this drill bit has a place to go and won't jump around. You don't want to put your center punch hole right on the line that you're going to saw, okay? Put it just like 2 millimeters inside the line. So I'm going to put one here, and then I'm going to put one here. All right, that's the center punch. Okay, so I'll show you where I put them so you can see that. Now, this is the drill press. There is a broken drill bit in there, so this thing is called the chuck, and this is what opens it up. I always keep it right here in this little cup. So I'm going to unscrew that, take out this broken one, we'll throw that away, put in the new drill bit. Your drill bit that you're using has to be okay for drilling metal, and it also has to be just a little bit bigger than the jeweler's saw blade. And that is. Okay, so here's the size of my jeweler's saw blade. That's just a little bit bigger. Okay, so now just kind of test to see, is this in the right position to come down and not only drill through the metal, but also a little bit through the wood. And it is. When you're using the drill press, you have to secure what you're drilling down with either a clamp or tape, because if this is just free and loose and you start drilling, the minute the drill bit hits that, it's going to start spinning, okay? And if your hand is anywhere near that spinning piece of metal, it's like a ninja star, okay? You will definitely cut your finger. So secure this so that it does not move. All right, very important that you have your hair tied back, any hoodie strings tucked in, any earbud strings tucked in. You want 0 things hanging near this, okay? Because for like girls' hair, if it gets a piece of your hair, that is spinning so fast, it's just going to pull it out, okay? So you're going to lose that piece of hair. If it's a chunk of hair, you might lose some scalp. So please tie your hair. Yeah, that happened over at South. You don't want to mess with machinery, okay? So tie back everything, nothing loose around this area. And 100%, anytime you're using machinery like this, anything electric, you want to have goggles, okay? Because if it cuts your hand, you can probably repair that. If it cuts your eyeball, you're not getting that back, okay? All right, so now we're just going to lower it. Make sure that when I do lower it, it's going to hit right on that place where I hit the center punch. This is how you turn it on. My hand is nowhere near that. I just lower it. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one too. So I just need to position it. I need to drill 2 holes because there's 2 things I'm going to saw out. So that's good. Now that it's in the right position. Wait till it's all the way off and stop spinning before you touch it. And now, from here, this might be a little rough, just because we drilled through that, so a file can take care of that, but just be careful. We've got 2 holes, and now to saw inside that hole, I loosen the bottom of my jeweler's saw blade, and I put it inside that hole that I just drilled, which might be a little bigger. There we go. And you're going to tighten it just like you normally would. And so now he's ready to saw in that inside